Let's talk about Constellation Brands. We ready for that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Constellation Brands, their symbol is STZ. I don't know where they got that symbol from. They're in the beverage brewer industry. Short on the stock is starting to climb. It's 5.5%. Institutional owned is 77%. They do have a PE ratio of 24.6, a little bit high, but not as high as the industry at 30.1. We do see price to sales 3 versus 1.4. Price to book value also high, 3.5 versus 1.8. Price of cash flow 10.3 versus 8.2. And you want these valuation ratios lower than the industry average. And the PEG ratio does look good, though. That's 3.8 versus 21.9. Now, the earnings over the last year for Constellation Brands was up 69.9%. The industry was down 40.2%. I really want to know how that happened. Maybe it was really bad the previous year. Something's going on that's crazy compared to the industry. Sales, however, were down 7.9%, while the industry was up 6.1%. That, again, tells me earnings probably had some type of accounting movement to give you that 69% growth. 5-year growth rate for Constellation Brands, 6.9 versus 5. We do see that they pay a 2.6% dividend, which is not too bad. They use about 64% of their earnings to pay that dividend out. Look at the balance sheet, current ratio 1.3 versus 0.9. That's good. It shows a lot of liquidity for the company. However, debt to equity getting a little bit scary here at 1.4 versus 0.9. 1.4 is probably the top level we'd even look at investing in a company. Get much above that, it gets me worried.